Yeah, we can talk now.
Okay, so I'm experiencing severe mental and financial hardship with my bank accounts being frozen. I've asked you, like, this is going on since September. You never reached out to me about any payment plan, and you ran to the court and you said, "Hey, Mr. Dobson refuses to make payments. We need to do a garnishment." You never took the basic steps to try to work out a payment plan over money that your client never paid you. Like, I got screwed over. I got robbed by the Kitchener Family Court, and it doesn't seem to bother you. So, are you available to speak right now? John, hey, are you there?
I'm here.
Oh, okay. Is it a good, do you have like 5 or 10 minutes to talk?
I'm riding on the public transportation to go to the office now. So you can talk briefly because
Okay,
it's a little bit noisy here.
okay. I'm already talking to someone to file for bankruptcy. I can't live like this. I don't know
This
how.
is what I'm saying. See, so Daniel,
So,
I
yeah.
wish I was fired from this case.
No, you
I'm
don't.
tired.
You're
I
not.
swear to God, I'm
You're
telling you the
not.
truth. I wish they fired me. I'm tired.
You can
This
quit,
case has been going on from since 2022.
but it's
I
never
do.
gonna
You know
end.
how many? You
John,
know how many cases I have done, and it's over. I move on.
it's never
I
gonna be
am. I'm just.
over.
I am tired.
Me too.
But you
I
don't believe
lost
me.
I lost
I
everything.
say
John,
I'm tired of this case.
John,
I
you
wish
asked
I was fired from this case. I swear to God Almighty.
John,
I'm tired.
you
You
asked the
think you think
judge for
you think
hundred and
you think
sixty thousand dollars that was never paid. You've ruined my
you think
life.
a court award is not like that the way
But
you think.
John, why would you ask for money
A
and
court,
that never was fucking exchanged
the,
hands?
because I don't know how you know how you can
I
don't take
know
my
how
word
they
for it.
work. Yeah.
Okay, the total hours spent on the case multiply my
John, you don't
hourly
even
rate.
file. John, listen, you know what? Your trial
So how
scheduled
many how
doors.
many how many excuse me, how many this thing was there?
John,
How many
you
motion you filed 4 motion in
doesn't
that case?
matter because your fucking case is meritless.
You filed four
John, I
motions.
was never fucking married or had children or lived with her. You guys withheld the police report where she admitted to the police I was renting her fucking basement and she applied to the landlord tenant board for an eviction application. I am dealing with Canada's biggest corruption case ever. And you're going to be dragged into it, and so is she. I'm already talking to the Department of Justice about this, and I'm talking to the Ministry Attorney General, the fucking head person. They're looking into this. They're puzzled why I'm in family court. John, I asked you guys to settle this in 2022. You sent me an email wanting $20,000 and then $27,000. I'm like, you were asking me
Uh,
for money that your client never paid you. That's
we,
being dishonest.
Daniel, the case that hurts you is when she made an offer for zero. That place hurts you.
John, that
When
was
you
August
rejected
the
that
8th.
offer,
Listen,
when you
John, that was August the 8th, 2023. We went before Justice McLeod, and Justice McLeod told you guys you have no case. You better think about what you're fucking doing. And then you guys came back the next day and said, "Oh, okay, no cost." Why the fuck would I agree to a restraining order when there's no grounds for one?
okay,
You guys
that's
should have
what
dismissed it. Why didn't you
that's
just
when
fucking cancel it? And we all could have been.
so that's when that because of the judge saying that that's when you refuse to agree. I thought you could win a trial. Trial, in case you don't
Yeah,
know, is very risky. Trial
right.
is very risky. It's
John,
50-50. It can
John,
go either way.
John, your
Yeah.
client.
So you because the judge told you that our case is weak because they don't see our evidence at that time. He simply
John,
says
John,
because
come on, man.
it's very difficult to prove. Excuse me.
John, you
It's
fucking
very
told your client to evict me out of a fucking apartment I was renting. You made me fucking homeless once. You're about to make me homeless
Excuse
twice.
me. Excuse me, Daniel. You slept in the same room with her. You slept in
Does
the
it
same. You
mean I
ate
fucking
dinner.
cohabitated? Does that
You
mean I cohabited? Everything was in the basement. John, I'm dedicating the remaining of my healthy life to fucking talking about this every single day. I just went on a
okay?
podcast last week.
Read the transcript of your
John, I just went on a fucking podcast and I'm about to go on another one. Everything's going to be documented. Like, it has to be documented what you guys got away with. This is wrong.
read the transcript. When you move in, you say you were homeless. That's what you
John,
said.
John,
In your this thing that in your testimony, you don't know how to
okay,
conduct a trial. You should not have
okay.
gone to trial. You
John,
admitted on the stand that you were homeless when you moved in there,
so what? I
which means you were
rented her basement.
you
John,
you you
listen,
were you didn't say you were renting. You said you were homeless.
John,
She took you in. How are
John,
you going to win a case like that?
John. Okay, listen. Do you know every family court case, in order to go to a trial, that the applicant must fill out, serve, and file a trial schedule endorsement form? Do you know that rule? John, do you
See,
know that the applicant, you know that you must, by law, fill out that trial schedule endorsement form,
in case you
file?
don't know,
Okay,
a
so
case like that, you cannot win by technicality.
John, you never
You
fucking
cannot win any
filed it.
case.
I have the
The
case.
court, the court, the
Yeah.
court does not want you to win by
Well,
technicality.
too fucking
You have
bad.
to
That's
come,
the rules. Too fucking
but you
bad what
cannot
they
win by
don't want.
technicality.
This
You
is the
cannot
thing,
win by
too.
technicality. If
Listen,
you think you can win by technicality, you cannot.
John,
They want you to come there and win on merits.
John, you never filed your trial schedule
You know,
endorsement form. I should have never been in the fucking trial. Like, dude, the
they,
trial
they,
scheduling endorsement office, the trial scheduling office scheduled the trial without that fucking form filed with the court. I went to
so
a rigged trial without the trial schedule endorsement form filed with the fucking court. You never
you,
filed it. Justice Tweedy filled it out
I
for
just
you.
restraining order is a very
John,
very
you're not
high.
listening to me. You
I'm
never
just telling
filled
you,
out.
this was a restraining order.
Doesn't
It's
fucking
almost
matter. It's not
it's
supposed to
similar
go
to
to.
it's similar to a criminal court. The burden of proof is very
Oh
high.
my God, John, if you don't fill out the fucking forms, it's a charter
But
right
the burden,
applicant
I'm telling you,
violation.
the burden of proof is very high. That's why the
John,
judge said that. That's why the judge warned me not to go to trial. That
I
you are going
didn't
to
want to
win.
go to trial. I fucking
But
begged and pleaded with you.
because the judge told you that our
I
case is weak,
begged and pleaded you to not go to trial
we,
and to accept my offer to
and
settle. You
I
refused.
you are the one who refused. We are the one who made the last offer
John,
zero.
yeah, no, that was after the fucking judge said you guys had no case. You were fucking
Yes.
scared.
So after the yes, then we made an offer for you to. You remember the judge did not see our evidence. As at that time, the judge she did not see our evidence.
Yeah.
So she told you, and when you heard that, you
Okay.
refuse to settle. Once you
John,
heard that comment from the judge, you
John,
refuse to settle.
you asked for $7,000 at the Court of
Then you keep
Appeal.
going about this thing
No,
there.
no, no, but
If you
you're asking for money that your client
uh,
never fucking paid you or
a
worked.
court this thing does not
John,
want.
man, you can't be
The court
asking for
doesn't do that. The court want to warn you not to come to
John,
trial. So if
fuck
you lose,
that. No, you're in the fucking wrong. They don't
if you
want you to
lose,
go to
you pay. They
trial.
pay their word cost
I'm
against
not
you.
paying it. I'm not paying it.
Okay, that's why you're having
No,
problems.
no, 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 but no, no, no. This is the thing. You guys don't care if I claim bankruptcy, and that's gonna
It's
make
not
even.
me that. It's not me that.
John,
Donna
you're the
wants me
one
to.
that filed it. John, you never
Excuse me.
communicated with me about
Donna,
making.
if I make any
Oh
mistake,
my
Donna wants me
God.
to pay that money. She's
John,
looking for a
what?
way for me to pay that money.
John, what money that she
She,
ever fucking paid you? You keep
she wants
talking
me to
about
pay
this.
that money. She
What?
wants me to make a
She
mistake
never
so she
paid
can
you
say,
that fucking money. You
it's,
guys got away with abusing the court. You submitted a fraudulent bill of cost. You committed perjury and got away with it. And now
how many times have you told the court this?
they don't.
You
They're
told the court,
broken
how
and
many times have you
corrupted.
told the
They're
court that?
broken and corrupted. They don't want to know that they fucked up
How
and
many,
that. John, come on.
how many
Be
times have you told
fair.
the court that?
Imagine you were in my situation. Imagine you were in my situation. You had to pay money for court costs that were never fucking paid or worked. and you're going to be homeless, and you have to look at your kids and say, Daddy can't feed you this month because some fucking judge ordered me to pay money that was never paid, and some lawyer ran to the court and said, this Mr. Ekpenyong doesn't want to pay, when Mr. Dobson never took the necessary steps.
Because you have not made even one payment. If you make one payment, you don't know how
John,
it will look good
you
on
have my
It
bank
will
accounts
it
frozen.
will really look good on you.
John,
It will look good.
I just
It
made
will
a
look good
payment.
on you.
I just made a payment, $140.
The payment that is forced. It's not something that was done voluntarily.
John, how am I
It's not.
supposed to pay when you won't unfreeze my bank accounts? Just tell me that. How do you expect me to make a payment when you have two of my bank accounts frozen and I
It's
can't
not
transfer?
frozen. Your bank account is not frozen.
John, I have no access to my TD line of
If
credit.
you pay the money in, if you pay money to your account, the maximum they can garnish is 50%.
John,
they cannot garnish all your money.
John, 50% is only for spousal support and child support, not court cost. So are you going to go run to a fucking garnishment people and say, oh, this is family court, you take 50% from Mr. Dobson and leave him with nothing? 50%, this is what I mean. You don't know what you're fucking doing. 50% is only for child support and spousal support, not court cost. So stop fucking telling the courts I refuse to make payments and to fucking garnish my bank accounts when you have not taken the basic steps to communicate with me.
The thing is that if you make payment, I'm just telling you the truth. If you make payment, however you make it, it will reflect very well on you.
Oh, I bet it will.
It will show that you've obeyed a court order, and that you can plead that you are suffering serious hardship, and you can swear an affidavit that you are suffering serious hardship. This thing that you came there, you did not swear any affidavit.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Did you swear any affidavit that you are suffering hardship?
Yes, I did.
You did not.
John,
you did not swear any affidavit that say you are suffering hardship.
Are you fucking kidding me? Did you hear me at the garnishment hearing? I sent you an affidavit? John, I have sent
What did the judge say there? What did the judge say there?
What did the judge say?
The judge said you did not swear an affidavit.
Oh, I did. You know what the judge said?
Hardship.
This is what I mean. You don't know what you're talking about.
The judge said, go and read the judgment of the court.
I read it. She said I didn't fill out Form 13, so she doesn't know my financial situation, and she can't determine if I'm experiencing financial hardship. Okay? This is the same judge who cowardly filled out your trial schedule endorsement form.
That judge is very, very lenient to you.
That fucking judge is not lenient at all,
He's very lenient to you. That judge is
lenient to me, John? She disputes my.
The way you talk to her, she was even backing you when you want to continue.
Because she knows she fucked up. She knows she fucked up and filled out the trial schedule endorsement form. John,
that judge is very, very kind to you.
John, she did your job for you. She filled out the trial schedule endorsement form.
That's not the judge you're going to go now. That judge is very kind to you.
Why is she kind? Why is Justice Tweedy kind to me?
You see what award calls against you when you lose?
John, you never filed any fucking materials.
She did not award a cause against you.
John, I went to a garnishment hearing and you didn't file any materials and I lost. How much more evidence do you need to show how fucking backwards and just fucking broken this court is? John, you filed no materials.
So what
you filed no materials and you won. You submitted a fucking, you didn't sign your affidavit and your fucking factum at the Court of Appeal 10 minutes before and you won. You fucking went to remember I filed a motion to ask for a judge to unfreeze my bank account so I can pay you? You were there for 9 minutes. You didn't submit no materials. You asked for $2,500. You charged $400 an hour. You are a fucking bad lawyer who is getting away with abuse.
I filed documents.
You didn't. Are you fucking? This is what I mean.
I filed document for a motion.
John, you didn't file anything.
You brought motion. You brought motion, and you brought.
You know what I'm going to do?
Dispute at the same time.
Okay. The reason for my call is I want to make payments to you through my TD account. I cannot do that because it is frozen.
Go and buy money order. Send it to me.
I'm not doing that.
I undertake.
John.
I undertake to plead with Donna to accept the money, the payment, as long as you're doing it frequently.
John, I have nothing.
Otherwise, because Donna is looking for a way for me to pay that money.
I lost everything. I lost everything.
Donna knows that you will not pay the money.
I'm
So
not
she's
going
looking for a
to.
way for
No,
me to pay.
not the way you guys, what you did to me. Everything's
Didn't do
maxed out.
anything.
John, you asked
If
for
I
a fucking
represented you, I would do the same thing.
$160,000.
I would do the same thing
John,
for you.
you asked for $160,000 that your client never fucking paid you or you worked. Oh, what are you, Johnny
I
Cochran? Who
charge
do you think you are,
$400 an
Johnny
hour.
Cochran?
I charge $400 an hour. And how many
John,
hours did I put? Since
John,
2022.
okay.
How many motions did you bring?
John, okay, so you're not going to freeze my TD account.
It's not my power to do that. I
Whose
don't have the
power is
power to
it?
do that.
Whose power is it?
Eh?
Whose power
Donna
is
has
it?
the authority to do that.
Okay, so when I call
So
TD, they give me your number.
if I represent you,
Okay.
I can go and do something like that on your behalf
Okay.
without
Yeah.
your instruction.
Okay. So so I'm just gonna have to claim bankruptcy, and I'm gonna keep documenting what I'm dealing with you.
I don't have the power to do
John,
that.
okay, this
You
is
do
what I'm
not.
going to tell you right now, and it
Does
doesn't
your
matter.
lawyer have that kind of power? Any lawyer that represents you have that kind of power?
John, you're
To
the
go and
one
do
that
something
can
on
call the fucking bank. It's not Donna. Like, why are you lying?
Why would I lie?
What do
Why
you
would I
think?
lie for something like that?
What do you think if 100,000
I
people
said,
hear this
what I'm
phone
telling you,
call? What do you think if 100,000
I
people
know,
hear this phone call?
I know that you are
I
recording.
am.
I know that you are
And
recording.
there's nothing wrong
but,
with it. It's
but
nothing criminally wrong.
okay, so you did not get permission from me.
I don't need your permission. You should look
Okay,
up the laws.
Okay. I don't.
John, look up the laws. It's like if I'm telling you right now, I've already
I'm
done
just trying to. I'm trying to help you, but you don't.
If
You
you
don't
want
think
to
I'm trying
help
to help
me,
you.
if you want to help me, call TD, remove my account being putting
If
a
I call
hold on
TD,
it.
if I call
John, I'll
TD,
fucking send you $5,000, and I'm not putting it in writing.
if I call TD, Donna will want me to pay the 60,000 to her.
John, she never paid you $60,000. You listen.
The
You
court
don't
has
want
awarded.
me. I'm telling you right now that there's already that last phone call I talked to you about. I've already put it out in the public. 100 people have reviewed it, and they're disgusted with what you're getting away with. I don't want to release this phone call, but if you're not going to work with me and be civil, they're going to know about this about you. I'm trying to work with you.
I am trying to help you, but you think that I hate you. You think that I hate you, that I have animosity towards you.
Tell me how you're trying to help me.
Eh?
Tell me how you're trying to help me.
I said to you, if you send money, I will take it to Donna and plead with her that it is better for you.
How do I do that? How do I do that? I'm not working.
You can buy money order.
With what?
You can buy this thing there.
With what?
Eh?
With what?
Eh?
How am I going to buy a fucking money order when you got the one account with a line of credit frozen?
Well, they don't give you line of credit if you don't have money, if you're not
John,
working.
you've frozen my line of credit with TD. I sent you a picture. I have $16,000 available in my line of credit, and I've been trying to pay you since September. John, you're gonna.
Told me that,
John,
I said, Donna does not. I've told you, Donna does not want me to do anything.
Well, then she's not going to get anything.
Unless you have to make payment.
How do I make a payment when my bank account is fucking frozen? This is what I mean. Talking to you is like talking to a fucking someone who has a serious head injury.
This guy saw $25,000 in your this thing when she.
This was 3 years ago. What you think? I fucking have the money?
She thinks you keep money at home.
John, this woman gets $5,000 a month from her ex-husband. I helped her renovate her home. She bragged in the landlord-tenant board that her equity went up $800,000. She inherited $90,000 from her mother. She has $200,000 in investments. She has a lawsuit with her fucking breast implant, and she's got a lawsuit with the fucking ski hill. She doesn't need the money. John, and the other thing too is, you started this fictitious litigant application against me. I have sent you several emails that I will stop everything, and you refuse to stop it.
You think I'm the one who?
Please.
You think I'm the one? You think I'm the one who did it?
John, I have a $3.5 million lawsuit pending, and you're gonna fucking. John, I have a $3.5 million lawsuit. If you want the fucking money, why would you label me a fictitious litigant so the lawsuit gets canceled? You want the fucking money?
Donald knows people in that court there at the Kitchener
She
court.
doesn't know anybody there. Stop fucking
The
lying.
counter
She
people there,
doesn't know anybody. You're the one filing the fucking forms.
Well, if you ask me,
John, you're the one
if I
filing the
represent you
fucking
and you ask me
forms.
to do
It
something
doesn't
and you pay
matter
me
who
to do
she
it, I will do
knows.
it for you.
It doesn't matter who she knows. You're the one
Yeah, but
filing
she
the
asked me
fucking
to do it
forms.
for her. She
So,
asked me to do it for her.
okay, if she
Somebody
wants
suggested
money,
it to her,
okay,
and she asked me,
we'll
"Can I
end
do
the
this?"
call like this. We'll end the call like this. You guys want money. I have been offering you to make payments since September 6th, 2024. It's February 21st or 22nd, 2025. You refuse to release the freeze on my accounts to make payments. You guys know I suffered a serious head injury from a police brutality incident. There's a $3.5 million lawsuit that's been filed. I have asked you guys to, I will drop every fucking court case, even the one that you guys are noted in default, the small claims thing that you guys have already lost. You and her are noted in default. Okay? I will drop everything. So you don't fucking ruin my lawsuit. And what are you doing? You will not drop this fictitious litigant. And on top of that, you throw an envelope at my door, and that is not the right way to serve.
She said she will not drop it. I asked her to do
Why?
it. She said she will not drop it. What do you want
Why?
me to do?
You think
What do you
appeal?
want me to do?
Okay, all this stops. I'll tell you right now. All this stops. All this stops is the civil litigation. I will fucking pay for the court of appeal, and I will fucking show them every. Trust me. I'm telling you, the appeals will not stop because what you guys get away with, you should be charged and in jail, and she should be charged and in jail. And what these judges did, Justice Braid committing forgery, changing a 10-page endorsement to one behind our backs, Justice Tweedy filling out the trial schedule endorsement form and then blocked out 2 pages of transcripts. The trial scheduling office, you never filed your trial schedule endorsement form. They scheduled the trial. And then Justice Gibson says, I called her, I emailed her, I breached the order, I fucking was not attended. When the evidence and exhibits show that that was a fucking bold lie. The appeals will never stop. I will never stop talking about this until I get justice and hold you guys accountable.
As I said,
Okay.
I am fed up. I am fed up with this case.
Well,
I'm
it's
really
never
fed
going
up.
to go away.
Want,
It's never
I
going to go
want to
away.
be.
It's
I
never going to
want
go
out.
away. You think
I really
labeling me a
want out.
fictitious litigant is going to stop? It's not. Because I'm going to exercise. John, you should.
I'm going to ask Donald voluntarily so I can quit. That way, maybe she can hire another lawyer.
That would
and you
be in
can
the
see.
best interest because then she can go fucking pay
So
actually what you
if she
submitted to the
hires another
courts.
lawyer, so you will see that I am not a problem.
No, you
Because
are
you
the
think I'm the
problem.
problem.
No,
She can
you are
hire
the
another lawyer to
problem.
represent her.
You're the problem. You've got caught lying to 8 judges. You
So,
submitted a fraudulent bill that was never
okay, so
fucking
when she
paid.
hires another lawyer, you can now focus on that lawyer.
No,
Whether that
because
lawyer is
I will
fraudulent.
never stop talking what you did and what you got away and how the Law Society refuses to help, how these judges ignorantly did what they did to me. And you fucking, you sit there like you're some fucking rock star with these
Well, if you go and report me to the Law Society and you were not
I
my
already
client,
did. I already
well,
did.
you make me look good because it means I did a good job for my clients.
No,
That's
you
why.
lied to 8 judges.
No.
You lied to 8 judges, and I have
Oh, well,
transcripts of every time.
what you see what did Judge Gibson say? He said if you were a lawyer, they would have reported it to the Law
John, I
Society.
already fucking did that 2 years ago.
So,
Justice
so
Gibson
I say
is a
Judge
fucking
Gibson. What did
horrible
Judge Gibson
judge.
tell you? Judge Gibson said if you were a lawyer,
Yeah,
that she would have reported it
yeah.
to the Law
And
Society.
Justice
Meaning
Gibson
that
also said I
you,
emailed her, I called her, I was not a tenant, and I breached my temporary restraining order when none of these
so
things
the Law
fucking
Society
happened.
has that the order too. Okay, I sent that link to the Law Society.
No. Fuck that. No. I've
I
already
sent
sent
it to the
that to
Law
them.
Society.
It's okay. They all
So
cover each
you
other's
go and report
asses.
me. You are not my
Okay,
lawyer.
John.
Sorry, you are not my client, and you report me to the
Okay.
Law
How
Society.
about
You
this?
think
How about this? Do
the
you
Law
remember the
Society
small
is going
claims?
to think that I did a good job for my
How
clients.
about this? Let's talk about this. Do you remember the small claims issue when you told Justice Deputy Familia that you served me the settlement conference date? You never did. And then we went back and forth in the emails. And you said, hey, I just seen the email. I'm glad I included you. I'm like, you never included me. You're like, I'm looking at the email. I contacted the court and they confirmed you fucking lied to Justice Familia. You told them I refused to show up, and then we went in front of the other judge who removed the court order of the $1,700 because you were lying to one of 8 judges. The Law Society has this information. They refuse to do anything because of fucking litigation and accountability. So this is why people fucking go off the deep end. They go public. They share everything publicly. And you know what? They let the public be the judge. Because when we put our trust into these judges who are public servants paid by taxpayers and they do the shit that they did to me and think there's going to be no accountability, this is why people are speaking up.
Excuse me. So everybody is against you?
John, are you fucking out of your mind? They are. They are. I'm not delusional. I'm not schizo. I'm not paranoid. I think rationally.
Don't you know that if you are self-represented, that they tend to favor you more?
Oh my God.
Look at the way you talk to. Look at the way you talk to judges. If I say one thing like that, the way you talk to the judges, you know, my license would have been revoked.
John, do you remember when you told me to shut up on May 27, 2022 in front of Justice Bingham? And then I had the transcripts and they sent it to you and you're like, oh, there's the transcripts. I didn't tell you to shut up. Do you remember that? So I'm going to tell you right now, you refused to drop the Victus litigant application. You refuse to.
I don't refuse anything.
I'm telling you right now. So this is going to be a video that I'm putting out. Everything we talk about now, I'm going to reference every fucking thing that I'm talking about to show the public what a disgraceful, lying lawyer you are, and you are pathetic. And these courts are a fucking disgrace. So you want to be famous? You'll be famous for the wrong reasons.
The court has been very nice to you because you're self-represented.
Oh, they've been very fucking nice to me. John, you're out of your fucking mind, man. This is called gaslighting. Do you know what gaslighting is? You should look it up. I'm pretty sure you know what it is because this is what you're doing to me. I'm not
gaslighting you or anything.
That's okay.
The thing is that
that's all right.
The thing is that I made you an offer to accept nothing, zero.
No, and I made you 2 offers and you fucking rejected them. And
zero.
Came back
Why
to
did
me.
you reject that zero?
Why did you reject my offers and say you want 20,000, 27,000?
You know why you rejected it? Because the judge told you. The judge encouraged you to go to trial.
Yeah.
Because I said our case is weak.
No.
Even though you know the judge didn't see our evidence.
Yeah. Do you remember when Kim said that she got caught reading from the notes? And then she admitted that you coached her the next day and your fucking hands went up on your head like, oh my God, why did you say that? Do you remember that? You remember that part? Do you remember
who coached her?
What's that?
Who coached her? The judge was there.
Do you remember? No, she admitted. Remember she got caught reading from a notepad? Did you forget? You didn't forget that, did you?
I think you cross-examined her.
Okay,
didn't you cross-examine her?
So she got caught reading notes from a notepad.
Didn't you cross-examine her?
Yes, I did.
So you cross-examine her.
Yes.
So if the court believes that he was reading from the note, the court doesn't have to give credit to anything that she said.
John, she admitted that you coached her a day before and your fucking hands were, oh my God, I just got.
Did the judge use any of our evidence?
John,
if the judge believes that she was not credible, they don't have to believe her.
Do you remember when Justice...
I just say, if the court believes that she was not credible, they don't have to use her evidence.
Do you remember this? Do you remember when you admitted to paying $7,900 for the restraining order, and you submitted a commissioned document without your client's signature? Do you remember when Justice Gibson fucking lost it and he gave you shit and you should know better and he's going to make note of it? Do you remember that? I got the audio recording. I can get the transcripts and send it to you. But you remember that? Remember when you got shit? Oh, you got the Colombian fucking cold, eh?
Yes.
All that money you've been fucking ripping off people. Anyways, I was trying to be funny. But anyways, do you remember when Justice Gibson gave you shit and went off on you?
I am trying to help you.
Okay.
I'm trying to help you. Yeah. Just, I'm telling you the truth. I am sick of this case.
You're telling me the truth? What's the truth? What's the truth? And what are you trying to help me?
I'm fed up with this case.
Well, it's never going to go away. It's never going to go away.
I have other cases that when it's over, it's done. And forever. Done.
No. When I call my bank and I try to ask them, I say, no. When I call my fucking bank and I say, hey, I want to make. How do I get this fucking lifted? How do I get my bank accounts lifted? They say call
Go
Jon
and
David Ekpenyong. He's the one that has this. He's the only one that can do it. So until you lift the freezing, I am going to call you every single fucking day until I claim
see
bankruptcy. Not every day.
see
Sorry.
the reason
I'm
that
not
I
going to
answer
call you
your
every
phone.
day. I'm going to call
The
you
reason
periodically.
the reason that I answer your phone is because you don't have a lawyer and you have a restraining order against
John, the reason why I'm
Donna.
calling is because I want to make payments. I cannot
You
do
know,
that because the
so
only
because
money I have left. Okay.
I have to talk to you because you don't have a lawyer,
So John,
and since you don't talk to
yeah.
Donna,
Yeah.
so that's
I
why I
want
answer your
nothing to
phone.
do with her. The reason of this call is because I want to make payments. The only money I have left is from my line of credit. I can't do that as when it's frozen. And when I call my bank, they tell me they redirect me to you every time. So we're gonna have to keep having these conversations until you can convince your client to fucking like we
Okay,
agreed on a
okay,
payment plan. I'm not sending you
okay.
no more fucking emails.
I'm entering the train now.
John,
Okay,
we
we'll talk
we
later.
agreed. Hold on, we agreed on a payment plan of $500 in
I'm ent-
August, and you guys rejected it. So I don't know
I'm,
what you
I'm
want me to do. You won't accept my payments. You won't unfreeze my bank accounts. You won't cancel a fucking fictitious litigant application where you throw the envelope at my door. Where I have a multi-million-dollar lawsuit. I can pay you guys. Like this is
I'm entering the
insane. Yeah.
I'm on the train now, so we'll talk
Okay.
later.
I'm claiming
All right.
bankruptcy, so I